Page 29, To My Valentine. Just doing some more of the stretching out and contracting. I want to talk about this pattern in the left hand. They show it at the top. You have a chord. Let's look at the music. The first full measure in the left hand you have here, these notes, and then it stretches to these notes, and next you have these notes and these notes. Only you're playing eighth notes. You just do bottom, top, middle, top. This is a set pattern. It's called an Alberti bass pattern. It's used a lot. Beethoven used it a lot. It's just the way you can hear the harmony of the chords and still put in a little bit of rhythm, or can make the sound continue on indefinitely. That's all it's for. You get used to it. You think, well, that thumb sure works hard. But as you just rotate the hand, just rotate it, it's fine. That's fine. Stay relaxed. It's okay. The thumb doesn't seem to mind. You do this in the right hand, then it's the little finger that's going. Again, if you just rotate the hand, you can do this fairly quickly. Just stay relaxed. I've been doing it forever, so it's easy for me to say, but if you work on it, it comes. Anyway, let's see what this Valentine is. It's 3 lines long, treble and bass clef, 1 flat in the key signature. We're in the key of F major. Make sure you can do the F major scale 1 octave up and down. Common time or 4/4 time, and again we're coming in on beat 4. So the first 3 beats, if you look, are on the last measure at the bottom. And a lot of eighth notes. In the right hand, you're here, 4 and 1 and. Second finger comes down, and then cross over 4. Try and connect these again. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then lift up and come back. And then you reach down, come back and do it again. All right. Left hand's got this pattern. And at the beginning they had the 4-2-1, because you can do a 5-3-1, but the idea was you got to go to here next, and so to help prepare for that, we just used 4 instead. Could have used 3. We could just stay in this position. You can use 3 on those notes if you'd rather, or 4, whichever. In the last measure, the first line, I do typically use 3rd finger on that note, not 4th. Put the hands together, and it's here, and then here, 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 and then here, here. Come on. So you go through very slowly and carefully and get that hands working together, and then go back through it however many times it takes and slowly work out the hesitations. So those eighth notes are steady all the way through. Go as slow as you got to, doesn't matter, but no hesitations. Once you have that, then we'll think about the articulation, and this is connected. The phrasing is built in for you, they have rests. And the left hand, connected all the way through. Yeah. All the way through. Dynamics, gentle. I guess this is a love song. I don't know. Think lovey-dovey and all that junk, and just think. In the left hand, how soft can you play this? And that's a challenge now, because it's just a natural tendency. We just do it automatically. Anytime we start getting busy, like all these eighth notes, we'll play them louder. We'll just naturally start playing them louder. You might start soft, then as it progresses, you're gradually going to get louder. So we have to be aware of that, and we have to make an effort to always listen and carefully make sure the left hand stays really super soft. Here. all the way through, the whole thing. And once you get into it and you know it, you feel it, you can get a little louder and softer as you feel it. But this left hand needs to be in the background all the way through. As far as the speed goes, it's just somewhere in the middle. We're not talking speed of the beat. 1, 2, because that would make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's 2. See, it's a little bit fast. You might want to, so it's not the speed of the beat, it's the overall feel of the piece. Last measure, that F in the left hand, that's by itself. There, because the right hand comes up on that beat. Let's play it together very slowly and check our notes and all. I'll give us 3 counts. Now again, I've talked about this before on using a metronome. In order to slow this down enough, it makes the metronome go too slow. It's hard to follow when you go too slow. So I put the metronome on 8th notes. So it's beating 8th notes here. 1 and 2, those are 8th notes. And that's how fast we're going to go. I'll give us 3 quarter notes to come in though. 1 and ready and go and.